Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error 0xc00007b on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Now this needs a long time, so we can minimize this and continue with other work. The next one is to reinstall Microsoft C++ redistributable. Now, how would we do that? You need to go to this website and search for Microsoft C++ redistributable on your browser. And then you can scroll down and click on Visual C++. Scroll down, scroll down. You can install the x64 version. Click on Open, Agree, Install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.